Have you noticed your tires still look brown even after washing? In this video, we'll cover the most common cause for browning tires and what you can do to get your tires looking like new again. Are you ready to see better results washing and detailing your car this weekend? Download our free car wash cheat sheet at carwashcountry.com/cheat sheet. One of the most common reasons why tires appear brown after washing is because modern tires are injected with what are called anti-ozonant chemicals. These chemicals help protect the rubber from fading in the sun, but as your tire ages, these chemicals rise to the surface, oxidize, and can leave behind a brown film. This process is referred to as blooming and is totally normal. It can happen sporadically based on factors like the age of your tire and sun exposure. In other cases, your tires may appear brown due to trapped dirt that may have not been completely removed. Brake dust can also cause tires to appear brown as iron and metal particles on your tires oxidize on the tire's surface. To restore your tires from a brown back to a darker color, the process is pretty much the same no matter what you're dealing with. Step 1, remove any loose dirt by spraying down your tires. Step 2, apply a foaming tire cleaner if you have visible dirt, since foam will dwell on the tire, encapsulate the dirt, and it's easy to see the product working. If you have heavy brake dust, you may want to use what's called a decontaminating spray or an iron remover. For tire blooming or routine tire cleaning, we recommend applying a multi-purpose degreaser like a product called Super Clean. Don't use undiluted tire cleaners, as very strong chemicals may actually bring more of these blooming chemicals to the surface. Step 3. Use a long-handled tire brush to scrub the tire sidewall thoroughly. We recommend wearing gloves and selecting a brush with a long handle to make scrubbing a little bit easier. Step 4. While you're at it, be sure to clean the wheel rims and inside the wheel wells. After you're finished, rinse everything off and repeat as needed. In the last step, make sure your tires are completely dry before applying any type of tire dressing. The key to restoring a rich and natural looking color to your tire is by using a tire dressing. If you're looking to restore the color in your tires back to a more natural or factory setting, consider using a water-based dressing. If you're going for more of that glossy or wet black look, use a solvent-based tire shine product. These usually come in a gel form or an aerosol can, but you can find both water-based and solvent-based tire shine products in liquid form. And that's it. If you keep your tires clean and dressed every time you wash, it's much easier to keep your tires looking great, even if the blooming process continues over time.